Dolph Santorine. Welcome to our coach. I want to show you a few things. I kind of practice what I preach and use the coach even when there are things that we're working on like the door, and I'm going to be closing that back up as soon as I finish reinforcing it. And there's an age crack that happens in here, and when I'm done fixing that, then I'll close it back up. But in the meantime, we have places to go and people to see, so we go. Come on aboard. I think one of our top features has been the fact that we have a pure sine inverter that's permanently attached. So this is an inverter and a charger, and it charges a battery bank of 280 amp hours of lithium iron batteries. Now I have to take the lithium iron batteries out of the coach before it freezes, but that gives us unparalleled power to run things like lights, fans, the microwave, and of course the all-important coffee maker. Come on aboard. The interior is a work in process, and we're continuing to end up working on that. It's fairly stock layout. We've tried other things, and this just works for us. And this is the standard Palm Beach layout. This folds up into a bed, so we're able to move my granddaughter's backpack and then turn this into a bed by actually flipping it out and flipping it up and putting these two pieces of seat belt, and this is the way they did it at the factory back in the 70s, and this creates two beds. And at my wife's family get together, my granddaughter was up here, my daughter was here, my son was out here, and the wife and I were in the back of the coach, and that worked out well. The other thing that we've done that is important to us is we went with a marine grade refrigerator. And the important thing about the marine grade refrigerator is it's fully electric. So again, we're back to our battery pack, which ends up being an important part of the coach, but it lets us run the generator a whole lot less. So, standard refrigerator with a light just like home, but I don't have to worry about flipping it between AC battery and propane. So, one less problem to go with it. Back in the master bedroom, we put in a fan, but we added a remote control, which is kind of decadent. So what we can end up doing is we can just lay in bed, and if we want to turn it off, we're able to just push a button and turn off the fan without having to get up and get out and get it. The last thing that's kind of hard to show you, but I think it's one of the most important features in the coach, is the Macerator pump. I've not had to deal with the stinky slinky ever on this coach, because one of the first things I did was add a Macerator pump. So the pump for emptying the black tank and the gray tank, and in this coach it's all one, is just 1 inch in diameter, and it's very easy to handle. And I can empty the entire tank in about 4 minutes. I don't have anything else to clean up. I don't have to attach anything or unattach anything. And the coach and the line actually stores under the coach. So I can take you over and show you that if you'd like. Okay, let's go over and I'll show you. So here in the back, this is the hose I use instead of the stinky slinky, and I put it in a piece of conduit under the coach, and it's ready to go. I take it out, I remove this cap, I push one button, it empties the tank in about 3 to 4 minutes, and then when I'm done I replace the cap and I put this back away. Done. It's quick and it's easy, and it works for us.